When we saw the initial 3D design, it was perfectly matching what we were looking for. Not too much, but at the same time, it is like, modern aesthetic. We kind of liked the work that Inca was doing, and we just wanted to move ahead with Inca because the team was very warm from the beginning, and we kind of thought like, just go with Inca. So we actually did not visit any other interiors, just to be on record. Inca was the first one and our last choice. So we met the team, and from the time we visited the studio, we never felt that it's just a professional team and they just want to do things for the sake of doing it. We always felt that the team is willing to listen to your suggestions or what you really want and come up according to your requirement. When we saw the initial 3D design, it was perfectly matching what we were looking for. Not too much, but at the same time, it is like, modern aesthetic. For sure, during the process, we had different designers with whom we were interacting, and from the conversation perspective, we were always in touch, and we kept on connecting multiple times to understand each and every requirement, be it what we need in the cabinets, how many sections we need, what kind of kitchen we need. We loved this beige and brown combination because that's what we wanted to go for. It's a classy one. It doesn't go out of fashion. So we wanted to highlight on the colors which are not too loud. We really loved the entire process. The team has been really helpful, supportive, and there were things which were not part of the initial design, and we kept on adding, for example, these textured paints and all of these things, but the team helped us out really well. And we were not from the interior background or something, but the way things were explained to us in this entire process, that really helped us. Like, for example, the beds that we have, we never wanted the hydraulics. We wanted the drawers, and they kind of made sure the drawers are spacious enough so that we do not have a need of a hydraulic storage there. This TV unit, I think it's loved by everyone because we did not want like too much storage around. At the same time, we wanted to keep our things because we love traveling and we keep collecting stuff from different parts of the world, and the design team made sure that we have spaces where we can keep stuff. We actually love our balcony the most. That's like our cozy place, and we try to spend most time there, be it during the day, night, morning, because you get the natural light there, and where we have our little music and everything playing with the rain and everything. It does. In certain aspects, I would say it exceeded our expectations, because when you see a design versus when you see things in reality, it makes more difference. And design is, only the outer view, but when you see the actual things, the internal things, each small specifications, fittings, everything, that's when you realize that how much hard work has gone behind it. I was against false ceiling, to be specific. Both of us for that matter were, because we never understood this false ceiling concept. But the way they did it, they kind of made sure that we have minimal lights, not too much happening around. Everywhere, the profile lights, the surface lights or the spotlights, whatever they have put in, they are actually matching to the specific place, and the result came out really well. So we made a lot of changes in the architecture of this house actually from the beginning. Our puja unit was something which is a sacred place and everything, so we wanted to make sure a standing one, because my mom has gone through knee replacement surgeries. My mother-in-law who does the puja, it's difficult for her to sit and do the puja, so we wanted to change it, and the team changed the design, but the background of it, that whole acrylic thing, everything, that's a time-consuming process for sure, and it came out really well. It's really beautiful. I actually had some hangings which were gifted by one of our relatives, and I wanted to make sure that they come from the ceiling in a way that the hooks are not visible and all of that. So the team took care while doing the false ceiling there and ensured that those are turning out to be perfect. We did not want any walk-in wardrobe separately, but we wanted to have enough space for storage. If you were doing like entire walk-in, then a lot of space would have been consumed and the room wouldn't look as spacious as it is looking right now. So the team kind of designed it in a way that we have some storage coming behind the entrance and then another storage coming towards the bathroom. In between, we have a nice sit out with a profile light, and that's like a very calm place. So it doesn't look too bulky in terms of furniture, but it looks really nice. Whirlpool being brand leader in this particular category, we were like very assured that the things and the cabinets coming from Whirlpool would be like all perfect in shape. And the way cabinets were designed, it meets our requirements. We just wanted to make sure that we have enough for storage everywhere. And then highlight is the profile light and the storage unit. It actually looks good when you really like open it during the night time, and the colors and everything. We did not want too loud color for the kitchen, so it goes with our refrigerator and all the other appliances nicely. So yeah, the Whirlpool kitchen is really practical.
There are a lot of things which we didn't plan, and it was last minute, right? And then Inca actually helped us, be it different balcony paint colors and all those things. So they never said no, we are not going to help. Right? So they always up to okay, if you want to change something, we are quite flexible. So in that front, it is good.
Oh, for sure, without a doubt, because I have seen many teams and they are too much into only professional stuff, and I do respect their part as well. But here the team wasn't personally involved into this whole process. Each and every member of the team, they had put in their efforts in making sure that the outcome comes as we are looking for. So we would definitely recommend.